Replacing windscreens on quarry plant has always carried significant risk. Working at height, often on uneven, greasy machinery, while handling large, heavy glass panels.
Well, prior to having the trailer system, the MOFAP, we would just basically scramble up onto the loading shovel with a piece of glass on your back. Good luck and the grace of God.
Traditional access methods, including mobile scaffolding, were often impractical around large quarry equipment. And with working at height identified as one of the industry's fatal 6 risks, AC Plant Glazing knew a safer solution was needed.
Well, we came up with a device, having listened to other people, and we call it the MOFAP, which is a mobile overhead fall arrest anchor point. We needed it to be self-sufficient so we could enter a site, work under our own steam, not include or endanger anyone else.
Designed specifically for glazing quarry plants safely, the system provides a certified overhead anchor point. The system was practically tested, formally inspected and supported with operator training before being rolled out into use, allowing fitters to work safely while attached to an inertia reel fall arrest system.
What we're attached to there is a harness on me, which is attached to what is known as an inertia reel fall arrest. So it allows you to move freely, rather like an inertia reel seatbelt. If you fall suddenly or step down too suddenly, as I found, it'll stop you within about 2 or 3 inches.
For heavier windscreens, an integrated swing crane and suction lifting system removes the need for dangerous manual handling.
If it's a small glass, we still manual handle it up there, but on the red jib, we have a suction pad and frame, so the heavier items we can lift up there and swing into place.
The latest generation MOFAP also includes a slide-out access platform, allowing safe access across smaller dumpers and loading equipment.
You'll see the slide-out carriage. If we send the skip up, say on a Wacker-Neuson dumper, that'll slide across the back so we can access it and egress it safely, place the window and come down once completed.
And in the event of an emergency, a rescue winch system allows an incapacitated operator to be safely recovered from height.
If you did get incapacitated up there, the ground level engineer would lift you up with the rescue winch and lower you down to safety.
The result, a significant reduction in working at height risk, safer manual handling and safer access around quarry plant.
So there's my son and my nephew, they're now trained in the next generation, and I feel more confident sending them to a loading shovel windscreen with that device and training than we could have ever done without that sort of safety equipment.